Top 20 Salesforce Administrator Interview Questions. Question 1. What is the purpose of a record type in Salesforce? A. To define data access restrictions for users. B. To customize page layouts and business processes. C. To create unique Salesforce users. D. To automate email notifications. The correct answer is B. To customize page layouts and business processes. Record types help customize business processes, page layouts, and pick list values. Question 2. What does a validation rule do in Salesforce? A. It restricts data entry for users. B. It triggers workflows automatically. C. It enforces field values based on conditions. D. It modifies the values of fields automatically. The correct answer is C. It enforces field values based on conditions. Validation rules ensure data entered follows specific criteria before saving. Question 3. How many custom fields can be created on an object? A. 100 fields per object. B. 500 fields per object. C. 200 fields per object. D. No limit to custom fields. The correct answer is C. 200 fields per object. Salesforce allows up to 200 custom fields per object. Question 4. What is a workflow rule in Salesforce? A. A process for automating email notifications. B. A rule for automating field updates, tasks, and email alerts. C. A method to display data on dashboards. D. A tool for creating custom report filters. The correct answer is B. A rule for automating field updates, tasks, and email alerts. Workflow rules automate specific actions like updates and alerts based on criteria. Question 5. Which feature in Salesforce is used for user authentication? A. User profiles. B. Role hierarchy. C. Permission sets. D. Login hours and IP ranges. The correct answer is D. Login hours and IP ranges. Login hours and IP ranges control user access based on time and IP. Question 6. What is a permission set in Salesforce? A. A group of users with similar roles. B. A set of permissions for a user or group. C. A pre-configured set of validation rules. D. A tool for managing data security. The correct answer is B. A set of permissions for a user or group. Permission sets assign additional permissions to users beyond their profile. Question 7. What is a report type in Salesforce? A. A method to display data in dashboards. B. A template for creating custom reports. C. A group of related fields for creating reports. D. A method for scheduling automatic report generation. The correct answer is B. A template for creating custom reports. Report types define the object relationships and available fields for reports. Question 8. Which field type is used to store dates in Salesforce? A. Text. B. Date or date time. C. Pick list. D. Currency. The correct answer is B. Date or date time. The date and date time field types are used for storing date-related data. Question 9. What is the purpose of a profile in Salesforce? A. It defines a user's role in the company. B. It specifies the permissions a user has in Salesforce. C. It assigns tasks to specific users. D. It controls a user's access to records. The correct answer is B. It specifies the permissions a user has in Salesforce. Profiles control a user's access to objects, fields, and features. Question 10. What is a sandbox in Salesforce? A. A storage space for Salesforce reports. B. A type of report used for testing. C. A copy of production for development and testing. D. A secure area to store credentials. The correct answer is C. A copy of production for development and testing. A sandbox is an isolated environment for testing and development. Question 11. What is the difference between a lookup relationship and a master detail relationship? A. Lookup allows records to be independent. Master detail enforces dependency. B. Master detail allows only one related object. Lookup allows multiple. C. Both are used for custom fields only. D. Lookup requires a primary field, while master detail doesn't. The correct answer is A. Lookup allows records to be independent. Master detail enforces dependency. Master detail relationships create strong dependencies between records. Lookup allows independence. Question 12. How do you manage field-level security in Salesforce? A. Through user profiles and permission sets. B. By enabling record types. C. By creating validation rules. D. Through workflow rules. The correct answer is A. Through user profiles and permission sets. Field-level security is managed through profiles and permission sets to control visibility. Question 13. Which of the following is a valid Salesforce automation tool? A. Custom fields. B. Process builder. C. Validation rules. D. Record types. The correct answer is B. Process builder. Process builder automates business processes by executing actions based on criteria. Question 14. What is the purpose of the App Exchange? A. To manage custom apps. B. To download third-party apps and components. C. To report bugs to Salesforce. D. To manage app settings and configurations. The correct answer is B. To download third-party apps and components. App Exchange is Salesforce's marketplace for third-party applications and solutions. Question 15. How do you deploy customizations from one Salesforce org to another? A. Using data loader. B. Using change sets. C. By exporting CSV files. D. By using a profile. The correct answer is B. Using change sets. Change sets allow administrators to move customizations between Salesforce orgs. Question 16. What is a sharing rule in Salesforce? A. A way to share reports with users. B. A rule for granting record access to users. C. A method for restricting record access. D. A tool for defining object relationships. The correct answer is B. A rule for granting record access to users. Sharing rules define record visibility for users based on conditions. Question 17. What is the purpose of a chatter feed? A. It tracks changes to records. B. It facilitates communication and collaboration among users. C. It creates custom reports for user activity. D. It defines a user's role in the company. The correct answer is B. It facilitates communication and collaboration among users. Chatter feeds allow users to collaborate and communicate within Salesforce. Question 18. What is a page layout in Salesforce? A. A template for customizing the display of fields. B. A tool for managing user permissions. C. A report for tracking user activity. D. A custom form for data entry. The correct answer is A. A template for customizing the display of fields. Page layouts determine the organization and visibility of fields on records. Question 19. How do you limit data visibility in Salesforce? A. Through sharing rules and record types. B. By limiting user login hours. C. Using permission sets and profiles. D. By using custom field encryption. The correct answer is A. Through sharing rules and record types. Sharing rules and record types control visibility to data across users. Question 20. What is an organization-wide default in Salesforce? A. A default profile for users. B. The default level of record access for all users. C. A method to export Salesforce data. D. The default setting for object creation. The correct answer is B. The default level of record access for all users. AUD defines the base level of access to records in Salesforce.